Hello today, and welcome back to Tom's Day Trips. Here we are in Effingham, New Hampshire, at the historical Town Hall, built between 1859 and 1861. It originally housed the New England Masonic Charitable Institution and Temple, and meeting rooms for the Charter Oak Lodge number 58. And later it was sold to the town of Effingham for it to become their town hall and library for over 150 years. It is a beautiful building that is slowly going through restoration due to become a great historical society that wants to restore this building to its previous look. All right, and this right here, as we walk up the steps, these men of Effingham served their country in the following wars, and we honor them today. Okay? And as we go back to the building, walk up the stairs, we're going to go right to the door and go inside and see what it has to offer us. So come with me today as we explore the historical Effingham Town Hall. Okay, here we are inside the historical Town Hall of Effingham. And we're about to go up to the Masonic Lodge to view the murals on the walls. And this is a beautiful staircase heading up there. Let's take a visualization of the staircase. Nice winding staircase that we will travel up. Beautiful area. Here we are. Picture of George Washington. This is the sole purpose to view the murals under the wall. Not a documentary on the Freemasons, just the murals. So we're going to be entering that room. Okay, here we are entering the room to observe this beautiful mural artwork. And the type of mural is trompe, which is the French for optical illusion. Okay, the window is actually real. And if you notice, the crown molding up on top, that's the mural. That's part of the mural. Look, it just looks so real that you can actually step out and touch it. It's almost like they're statues. But it's one big mural. And we're going to take a picture of each wall and what it obtains. All right, we're going to do the next wall. Okay, this is the other wall. That's actually a painting of a pillar. Look how real it looks. Almost like it's, you can just grab it. And the curtains. It's actually painted curtains. I want to show you a corner here. Okay, do you see that dark stain in the corner? That's what this whole room used to look like. 30 years ago, they did a total restoration of all these murals. And they let this little corner of darkness to show you exactly what this room was like and the work they'd done, which was a tremendous amount of work they'd done. And it's just unbelievable. Okay, this is another wall. I'm going to pan back a little bit so you can get the full effect of the wall. The crown molding up top. The little stairway to heaven there. Opening up. Look at the detail on this picture and how it just jumps right out at you. View of the hallway that we were just in. All right, as this gets to focus once again. And once again, the crown molding. Everything is just all painted. There's not one bit of wood up there. It is all painted. What a beautiful job they did. Okay, this is the last wall we're going to be doing. Getting the top here. This tapestry is actually painted. And what we're going to do, we're going to pan up to the ceiling. And then we're going to pan around. The light will kind of obstruct it a little bit. Stars on the ceiling. You notice some water damage over time. You know, you do have some water damage up in here. We'll go past this light. And there's a couple more paintings on the ceiling. It almost looks like they're carved into the ceiling in the Ark of the Covenant. All right. And we're going to pan down to the original painting that we originally looked at. Unbelievable. I'm just going to zoom in on this one middle one. It's almost like you want to touch it. Wow, what a room. Beautiful pictures. It's almost like they're just jumping out at you. And thank you for watching today's episode in the historical town hall of Effingham, New Hampshire, in the Masonic Lodge, just viewing these pictures. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and comments below. And please subscribe to this channel so you can see all the new upcoming videos that I will be downloading. Once again, thank you for watching.